front of me is Samsung M13, and today I would like to show you how you can operate apps permissions on this Samsung. First of all, you need to access settings and choose privacy section over here. Then click on permission manager and select one of your Samsung's features. I will go with location. Now tap on one of your apps. I will go with maps and select one of those options by tapping on the best one for you. Allow all the time, allow only while using the app, ask every time, or don't allow. I will go with the first one, allow all the time. So when I go back and swipe up, as you can see, maps just gained access to this device location. But you can always simply choose any feature and then any app. Like for example, Google Play Store. Now choose the all Google Play Store permissions instead and manage all of them only for this app from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!